Welcome to Touring Tutorials, a series where we aim to help keep your rig in the best shape possible.
Here at Touring, we're known for putting thought and quality into our products and features in our builds.
We want to equip all of our customers with the best tools possible for their adventures on the road.
So with that, let's jump into this episode, giving you pointers on how to keep your battery system healthy and troubleshoot your electrical system.
My name is David Rogers. I work in the service department. We're going to go over two different subjects. We are going to talk about proper storage of your electrical system, and we're going to talk about how to recover your batteries once they are too cold to charge. The first subject, proper battery storage. What we want to do, it's pretty simple of a process. You want to charge your battery from 80% to 100%, doesn't really matter anywhere in between there. If you're to charge your battery above 80%, it just might not hold on to any of those numbers. So you might charge it up to 100% and come back and it'll be 98% or something like that. You'll charge it to 85 and come back as 82. But anything above 80 is ideal. If you charge your battery up to 80%, it'll stay at 80% anywhere from 2 weeks to about 5 months. Ideally, what we're trying to do here is just maintain your battery health. There's another benefit to that. It keeps your battery healthier for longer because it's anytime you charge and discharge your battery, that's a life cycle off your battery. How we turn our battery system off is we have a few different layouts. This is a kind of a high cabinet. The doors are gonna swing out versus drop down. So there's a battery switch in the back. It's a big red switch, and we wanna turn that from the on position to the off position, and the off position is vertical to 12 o'clock. And when you bring your van back out of storage, just simply turn your van from the off position, 12 o'clock, to the on position. And you don't need to plug into shore power. Two different scenarios where you could still have power, but not be powered off your batteries. If you were plugged into shore power and you're turning your switch off, your system would still have power. And it doesn't hurt anything, but you're still plugged in and you're not using your battery at all. The second subject is getting your batteries up to temperature so that you can charge them. Your heating pad's working threshold is in between 22 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. If the inside temperature of the van drops below 22 degrees Fahrenheit, your batteries may not allow charging, even though we have heating pads. There's two ways to identify that your batteries are below temperature. And the first way is if you go into your Victron Connect app, you can download on the App Store. You'll have either 1 to 3 batteries. And if you select one of them, it'll give you any error code. So whether it be under voltage or under temperature, that's how you discover that your batteries are below temperature. Kind of a quick reference guide to that is the batteries need to be above 41 degrees Fahrenheit to charge. And the second way you can do that if your batteries aren't coming up on your app is also on your Victron Connect app, there's another component called your BMV. On that BMV, if you select that, there's a temperature readout. If you see it's below 41 degrees Fahrenheit, that's the additional way to detect that your batteries are too cold to charge. This doesn't harm your system or your batteries in any way. They're protected. They protect themselves. They'll turn off charging, so they won't allow charging when they're below temperature. Once you've discovered that they are below temperature and you need to charge your van, the next step is just getting your van or your batteries up to temperature. And this may be kind of a difficult procedure. You may need to leave your van running. You may need to go to a warmer climate. If you have access to a space heater and are able to plug it into your garage or another outlet, the best thing to do is open your door and kind of direct it towards your battery. You don't want to get things too close because your space heaters put off a lot of heat. Just kind of be cautious and cognizant of that, as well as other items you may have inside of your van, just not to get them too close to anything like backpacks or bags or whatnot. Once your batteries get up to temperature, you don't need to do anything. The system will start charging itself, presumed that you're plugged into shore power. Your solar may start charging, but at a lower rate compared to shore power. Yeah, once your system is starting to charge, you're good to remove your space heater and your system is functioning as it should. Having your batteries below 41 degrees does not harm your batteries in any way. At most, your batteries are not gonna be allowed to charge, but you can still use your loads in your van. You can still use your lights and all your other appliances and whatnot. It's just the charging that is affected.
If you need help with any of these steps, don't hesitate to give our service center a call.
We're here to help you keep your van in great shape and get you back on the trails in no time.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you check out all of our videos for more great tips from our team.